Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. What's better than having a nice bowl of hot soup when it's cold outside? It warms us up inside out. I have over 3 dozen recipes on the website already, and here's another one. My Thai coconut shrimp soup. Loaded with flavor, this is the perfect soup to enjoy during the colder months of the year. So my friends, let's get cooking. Before starting, here are a couple ingredients we need to prep. I have 2 lemongrass stalks and will simply bruise them using the flat side of a meat mallet. The other one is the bird's eye chilies and we'll gently smash them as well. Many can handle these hot little guys, and if you want to leave them out, the soup will still taste amazing. Alright, so let's start. In a Dutch oven over medium heat, we'll add coconut oil. Yes, I know, my kitchen is cold. And when it gets hot, or in my case, melted, we'll add finely sliced onions. We'll saute them for 3 minutes or until they start to soften. To this, we'll add oyster mushrooms and cook for 2 minutes, stirring often. Next, we'll add pressed garlic followed by ginger, although galangal is the most traditional ingredient to use if you can find it. We'll quickly saute these two for only 30 seconds. We'll now add red Thai curry paste and stir to coat before adding the lemongrass stalks, the chilies if you're using them, some low sodium chicken broth, a can of coconut milk, a couple tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, fish sauce. I know it's smelly, but it does add flavor. Coconut sugar, but if you don't have any, use brown or palm. And finally, some lime zest. We'll stir the ingredients until nicely mixed, increase the heat to medium-high, and bring the mixture to a soft boil. When it gets there, we'll add our shrimp or prawns and cook for 2 minutes or until they just turn pink. About 30 seconds before time is up, we'll add cherry tomatoes. Give a good stir and cook for the remaining time. Next, we'll remove the lemongrass stalks plus the chilies and discard them. They've done what they were supposed to do. And increase the heat to high. When it starts boiling, we'll add a cornstarch mixture. We're not turning the soup into a stew, but it still needs some body to it. We'll stir for 45 seconds and that's it. We're done. We'll garnish with chopped cilantro and serve with lime wedges. And my friends, this is our Thai coconut shrimp soup. Tasty with lots of flavor, this comforting soup is perfect for the fall and winter. It's elegant plus quick and easy to make. If you enjoy Thai cuisine, you'll love this recipe. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit cupfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!